Hello, and welcome to another episode of Tailgate Talk. Let's talk about those projects you're bidding where a spec calls for a smooth, drywall-like finish and acoustical performance. If your experience involves acoustical plaster or multi-layer systems, you know they can be time-consuming, expensive, and require special tools or even installer certification. That's where Armstrong Acoustibuilt solution comes in. Our system features a single layer with a spray-applied finish. No complex equipment, no multiple layers, just high-performance acoustics and a seamless visual in white, black, or even custom colors. And best of all, it delivers an impressive 80 NRC and a 46 CAC. Stick around, your next project just got a whole lot easier. Let's take a closer look. Acoustibuilt is 7/8 inch thick. It's a 4x6 mineral fiber panel, and it's designed for installation on our frame-all drywall grid when used as a ceiling. It weighs just 1.1 pounds per square foot. That's less than half the weight of 5/8 inch drywall. And the acoustics? Outstanding. Acoustibuilt provides total acoustics performance with an 80 NRC sound absorption and 46 CAC for sound blocking. Acoustibuilt is incredibly versatile. Use it wall to wall, or in floating clouds, or in slopes, or in curves, or in soffits, even on wall applications stopping 7 foot above the finished floor. When it comes to finishing, it's as simple as using a Graco Mark V airless sprayer. Unlike multi-layer systems that require multiple compressors and pumps and 2 separate 20 amp circuits, Acoustibuilt simplifies the job big time. Need a repair? No problem. A handheld HVLP sprayer from your local home center is all that you need. That's definitely not the case with other systems. What about colors? Standard white and black are always available, and almost any custom color can be specified. Just keep in mind, our fine textured spray applied finish can appear 1 to 2 shades darker than a traditional paint sample due to its texture. Need to integrate lighting? No problem. Need transitions or perimeter upturns on clouds or soffits or even shade pockets? We've got you covered across the board. In support, we have a full team of dedicated Acoustibuilt specialists covering all 50 states, Canada, and Latin America. They're ready to help to get you up to speed, whether virtually or in person, to make sure that your project is a success. So on your next job, skip the heavy, labor-intensive multi-layer systems and go with the faster, easier, seamless acoustical solution, Acoustibuilt. To learn more, check out the link at the bottom of your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next month on the Tailgate.